All right, we got the EMERBU HK G36c here. I've had a couple people ask me about this. It's been on Amazon now for, I don't know, about a month. It's been available. And wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys and talk a little bit about it, right? So this is everything you're going to get with it right here, kind of your standard G36. If you've seen them from any of the other sellers, this is typically how they come to you, right? They all basically have this handguard piece that's separate because the battery kind of lives inside there and that slides on. So let's talk about this specific EMERBU one. Now, everything EMERBU sells on Amazon except for this one has metal gears. So this does not have metal gears. This has nylon gears. Not a big deal. You can still get great performance with nylon gears. I just wanted to point that out because everything else I've shown you from EMERBU does have metal gears. So I wanted to talk about that quick. Of course, you got your mag here, motorized mag. You got your battery. It's 11.1, your charger. Safety glasses, of course. They do give you some hardened gels, right? So these are hardened. They're not like super high quality hardened gels, but they're still hardened gels, which is nice that they include them. I always recommend buying better gels. A couple other packs here. So we'll move that stuff to the side. You do get a black tip, though, so the muzzle or flash hider is black. It just pushes on there. I put some red kind of safety tape on there. Just make sure you follow your local rules, regulations around that kind of stuff. And YouTube seems to prefer that I show things with red tips. All right. So let's check this toy out, right? You got a Gen 8.5 gearbox in there. You're going to have a 460 motor, which is going to be an upgraded motor that's going to go faster. Of course, you got the 11.1 to push that fast, so that's cool. You got priming, right? And let's get at it, right? Selector here. So it does show, you know, semi-automatic safety, but you really just have safety and automatic, right? Mag release here. Nice folding stock, which is standard on G36. Clips over like that. And then your battery, of course, goes right here, and this piece slides on. So with all G36s that are this design, sliding the handguard on right can be a little tricky. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to plug your battery in. And you'll find the best way to do this kind of as you play with it. So you'll notice that this piece right on this side, there's a little catch, and then this is spring loaded. So that's kind of what holds the handguard in once you slide it on. So you're going to put this up here, kind of line it up. It is always a little hard to do when I'm trying to keep it on camera. And I won't lie, it can kind of be difficult at times to get it lined up perfectly. Oh, see, and then I had the battery harness wire sticking there. And so you do kind of, like I said, you kind of got to figure out the best way to do these and get everything good. So there we go. Those wires become more pliable as you go to. So it's locked in place. You push that to release it. You just would push and then pull to slide it off, okay? So we got that in there. That's good. Your tip just pushes on this, so you just push it on good, and it stays on there nice and tight. And we put your mag in, right? So you can see that this is where you load it, so just make sure that that is closed properly. It needs to clip in all the way. That just clips in there. You're good to go. So we'll put it in safety. Let's see. So this one will still prime when in safety. Sometimes they don't, but this one does, right? And then you got your automatic. So very straightforward, easy to use, cool blaster, priming. It's going to be fun to shoot this. They're saying about 250 FPS, so hopefully that's what we're getting. And if you like the G36 style, this is definitely a good option for you. So EMERBUtoys.com, or they have this on Amazon. And EMERBU has some really cool blasters coming out in December that you can see on Amazon right now. They're just not available yet. So make sure you check all those out. Those look really nice. So anyway, comments, questions, post them below. Like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and participate in those monthly giveaways.